Have you ever wondered how many times you should pleasure yourself as you get older? It's a question many men over 55 ask themselves, but rarely discuss openly. The truth is, self-pleasure isn't just about feeling good. It's actually an important part of staying healthy, especially for older men. As men age, their bodies change, and what worked in their younger years might not be the best approach now. But don't worry, because understanding how to take care of yourself in this way can make a real difference in your health and well-being. Let's start by talking about what happens in your body when you pleasure yourself. Every time you reach climax, your body goes through several positive changes. Your heart rate increases, blood flows more strongly through your body, and your brain releases natural feel-good chemicals. These chemicals, like dopamine and oxytocin, are the same ones that make you feel happy and relaxed after exercise. But the biggest benefits happen in your prostate, a small but vital organ that sits just below your bladder. Think of your prostate like a small factory that needs regular maintenance to work properly. When you don't pleasure yourself for long periods, the fluids in your prostate can become stagnant, like water in a pond that doesn't move. This can lead to swelling, discomfort, and other health issues that nobody wants to deal with. Regular self-pleasure helps flush out these old fluids, keeping everything moving and working as it should. It's like doing routine maintenance on a car. Just as you wouldn't let your car sit unused for months, your body also needs regular activity to stay in good working order. Studies have shown that men who maintain regular sexual activity, including self-pleasure, have better prostate health and fewer problems with this important gland as they age. Many men worry that self-pleasure might be harmful or inappropriate at their age, but medical research tells us something different. Doctors and health experts now understand that this natural activity plays a key role in maintaining sexual health, managing stress, and even helping with sleep problems that often come with aging. It's not just about physical release. It's about taking care of your whole body and maintaining the systems that keep you healthy and active. One of the biggest benefits of regular self-pleasure is how it helps keep your blood moving properly, especially in the parts that matter most. When you pleasure yourself, blood rushes to your private areas, which helps keep the blood vessels healthy and working well. This is very important because good blood flow is what helps you get and keep strong erections. Think of it like exercise for those special areas. The more you use these natural functions, the better they work when you need them. Many health studies have shown that men who stay sexually active, including through self-pleasure, have better overall health. The benefits go far beyond just feeling good in the moment. When you reach climax, your body releases chemicals that help lower stress and anxiety. These same chemicals can help you sleep better at night and even lower your blood pressure. Some research suggests that regular self-pleasure might even help prevent certain types of cancer by keeping your prostate healthy. Your mental health gets better too. Remember those feel-good chemicals we talked about earlier? They work like natural antidepressants. They can help lift your mood and make you feel more relaxed. This is especially helpful as you get older, when life's stresses can really start to pile up. Having this natural way to reduce stress and feel good can make a big difference in your daily life. But what about your testosterone levels? Some men worry that self-pleasure might lower their testosterone, but science shows this isn't true. In fact, regular sexual activity, including self-pleasure, might actually help maintain healthy testosterone levels as you age. This is important because testosterone affects everything from your energy levels to your muscle strength and even your thinking ability. Self-pleasure can also help you stay in touch with your body's responses and keep your sexual function working well. As you get older, it's normal for things to work a bit differently than they used to. Regular self-pleasure lets you learn about these changes in a private, comfortable way. It helps you understand what works best for your body now, which can make you feel more confident and in control of your health. Have you ever noticed how much better you sleep after sexual activity? That's because reaching climax releases chemicals that naturally help you feel sleepy and relaxed. For older men who sometimes have trouble sleeping, this natural sleep aid can be very helpful. Better sleep means better health overall, including stronger immune system function and more energy during the day. Let's clear up some common wrong ideas about self-pleasure, especially for men over 55. Many people think it's something only young men do, but this isn't true at all. Self-pleasure is natural and healthy at any age. Some men believe it might harm their ability to perform with a partner, but research shows the opposite. Regular self-pleasure can actually help maintain your sexual function and make you perform better when you're with someone. Another common worry is that self-pleasure might be bad for your heart. While it's true that sexual activity raises your heart rate, doctors say that for most healthy men, self-pleasure is no more risky than climbing a flight of stairs. In fact, the small amount of exercise you get from it can be good for your heart health. If you can walk up 2 flights of stairs without chest pain, you should be fine to pleasure yourself. Some men think that if they pleasure themselves too much, they'll run out of sperm or lower their testosterone. This is not true. Your body makes new sperm all the time, and testosterone levels don't drop because of self-pleasure. What matters most is finding a frequency that feels right for your body and your health needs. Have you heard that self-pleasure might cause problems like hair loss or memory problems? These are old myths with no scientific proof. Your body doesn't lose important nutrients through self-pleasure, and it doesn't affect your brain function or hair growth. These ideas come from old stories that tried to make people feel guilty about something that's completely natural. There's also a myth that older men don't need sexual release. This is wrong and can actually be harmful to believe. Your body's need for sexual activity doesn't just disappear with age. While it might change or become less frequent, maintaining some level of sexual activity, including self-pleasure, helps keep your body's systems working properly. Many people wrongly believe that self-pleasure might make prostate problems worse. Actually, regular release can help prevent prostate problems by keeping fluids moving and reducing swelling. Some men worry that self-pleasure might cause urinary problems, but unless you have a specific medical condition, this isn't true. In fact, the muscle control you use during self-pleasure can help strengthen the muscles that control urination. Like this video and subscribe to our channel if you're committed to improving your health. It helps us reach more men with vital information. Now, some men think they need special products or techniques for self-pleasure to be healthy. The truth is, simple is often better. Your body knows what it needs, and as long as you're gentle and listen to your body's signals, you don't need anything fancy to get the health benefits we've talked about. While self-pleasure is healthy, there are some times when you need to be careful. If you have heart problems, talk to your doctor about what level of sexual activity is safe for you. Some heart medications can interact with sexual activity, so it's better to be safe and get medical advice. The same goes for men who have had recent surgery, especially in the pelvic area. Your doctor can tell you when it's safe to start again. Pay attention to any pain or discomfort during self-pleasure. While some mild muscle tension is normal, sharp pain or burning sensations are not. These might be signs that you need to see a doctor. This is especially true if you notice any unusual swelling, redness, or changes in how your private areas look or feel. Don't feel embarrassed about talking to your doctor. They're used to these conversations and want to help you stay healthy. If you take blood pressure medications or blood thinners, you might need to be more gentle during self-pleasure. These medications can make you more likely to bruise or cause small blood vessels to break. The same goes for diabetes medications, which can affect how your body responds to sexual activity. Have you noticed any changes in how your body reacts when you take certain medications? This is something worth mentioning to your doctor. Some men might notice they need more time or stimulation to reach climax as they get older. This is normal, but if you find yourself using too much pressure or rough handling to get results, stop and try a gentler approach. Using too much force can lead to reduced sensitivity over time and might make it harder to enjoy natural intimacy with a partner. Watch out for signs that self-pleasure is becoming a way to avoid dealing with stress or emotional problems. While it's normal to use it as a way to relax, if you find yourself depending on it too much, or if it starts to interfere with your daily life, you might want to talk to a counselor or therapist. There's no shame in getting help to find a healthy balance. Be careful about using any products or devices for self-pleasure without checking with a doctor first, especially if you have any health conditions. Some lubricants can irritate sensitive skin, and certain devices might not be safe if you have heart problems or other health issues. It's always better to start simple and gentle, then adjust based on how your body responds. Remember that hydration and overall health play a big part in sexual function. If you're not drinking enough water, or if you're very tired, you might notice changes in how your body responds. The same goes for alcohol and certain foods. Your body works best when you're taking good care of it overall. For most men over 55, pleasuring yourself 2 to 4 times a week seems to give the best health benefits. This number isn't set in stone, and you might find that more or less often works better for you. The key is to listen to your body and find what feels right. Some men might feel good with just once a week, while others might benefit from more frequent activity. What matters most is finding a pattern that makes you feel healthy and doesn't cause any discomfort. When you do pleasure yourself, take your time with it. Think of it as a form of self-care, like taking a warm bath or doing gentle exercise. Being gentle and patient helps keep your nerve endings sensitive and working well. Try to focus on the whole experience rather than rushing to finish. This mindful approach can help you stay more in tune with your body's needs and responses. Taking care of your overall health makes a big difference in how well self-pleasure works for you. Regular exercise, even just walking for 30 minutes each day, helps keep blood flowing well throughout your body. Eating healthy foods and drinking plenty of water helps too. Fresh fruits, vegetables, and foods with healthy fats like fish and nuts can help keep your sex drive and function strong. Managing stress is another important part of staying sexually healthy. High stress levels can affect your ability to become aroused and reach climax. Simple stress relief activities like deep breathing, gentle stretching, or spending time outdoors can help keep your mind and body ready for sexual activity when you want it. Remember that every man's body is different, and what works well for someone else might not work as well for you. If you have any health conditions or take medications, it's always good to check with your doctor about how these might affect your sexual health. They can give you specific advice about how to stay healthy while maintaining an active sex life, including self-pleasure. Don't forget that staying sexually active, including through self-pleasure, is a normal and healthy part of aging. It's not something to feel embarrassed or ashamed about. Taking care of this part of your health can help you feel better, sleep better, and stay healthier overall. Keep in mind that if anything ever feels wrong or uncomfortable, or if you notice any unusual changes, your doctor is there to help. They want you to stay healthy in all ways, including your sexual health. Thanks for watching. If you found this valuable, click on subscribe and like the video so you can find it again when you need it.